Okay, full pelters, well here I am in Bendigo. We're at the 2023 Victorian Japanese Motorcycle Club Rally. It's a pretty bloody warm day. I'll just give you a quick look around. There are bikes all the way down there. There's a few over here. Just took a photo on the Z900 over there, so I'll take a good look at these bikes. It's all Japanese bikes. And I've also brought along my encyclopedia today. I'll go over, I'll introduce you to my encyclopedia. Now, this encyclopedia knows a lot of these bikes. And here he is.
G'day.
Great man. How you going?
Good, thanks.
Just saying you're my encyclopedia today. Motorcycle encyclopedia. Here's another, oh that's a newie. That's a, one of the latest Z900s. But anyway, we will walk around, have a look at the bikes, and I'll take a bit of video and take some photos.
That's a postie bike.
Look at this! A trike postie bike. Smoky. That's brilliant. There's all sorts of stuff here. Alright, so we're going to go and start over at the start and we'll work our way around. What do you reckon? Let's go. This is a nice Honda 750, not sure what year. What year is it, Chappy? Don't know.
Close to a 73, you reckon?
Could be. It looks in pretty... 72, is it? Wow. Have a look at this old vintage thing here. Mighty DR 650. There's another 750 here as well. Yeah. Here a new Ducati, KTM 1290, so there's a few visitors here. Have a look at this. Wow.
What about this one?
Man. What is it, a 1500 Goldwing? There you go. Japanese Vintage Motorcycle Club. Look at that. Have a look at this. That is nice. Love the colour of this. Look at that. Police bike, what is it? It looks pretty cool. Katana, have a look at that. Beautiful. What a rocket. Yeah, this is pretty good, isn't it?
Well, it's got a pit bike engine in it, hasn't it?
So that's the carby on the top there.
Yeah.
Okay. Drink bottles.
Single shot.
Yeah. Pretty wicked. Got the hose, the axe, the water, the light. That's it. Got the radio. That's pretty cool. This is just overload. An old 450. What is this? A CLS 450. That's what it says there. Look at that. Beautiful Suzuki. Not going to know what half of these are, but you guys might know. An old race bike, really, isn't it?
2 strokes corner in there. 2 strokes.
Oh yeah, yep.
Hey Jeff, how are you? Good, thank you. All right, good mate. There's wires up around there.
Here's an old Kawasaki MC190.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Well, it's the only 750. That must make it worth more.
Here's an old Quacker. 750 Quacker. 33 grand. Love the helmet. Matching helmet with the bike. Beautiful. Number 754 Super Sport. Beautiful condition. These bikes are just nuts. Yeah, so they have this event every year at Bendigo, I think. It was on last year. Another Z900. Gee whiz. Love it. It's overload, Chappy. It's motorcycle overload. And over here is a Honda 70 Dax. This is what Chappy, this is what I learned on, mate.
I can tell.
Yeah, this is, my brother and I had one each. They were red ones. But man, oh man, did I clock up some miles on one of these as a kid. Honda, there's a little dash hand, where is it there? And the handlebars, undo these, and I'll loosen these off and the handlebars fold down. I think even with that, you could just take the whole front end off. Loosen that and the whole front end comes off. And you put them in the boot of your car. Wow. This is not stock, that's all extra crap on there. It's sort of like an oil cooler or something, is it? I don't know. I don't know what it is. But the bikes just keep going. Hang on. So what's this one, Chappy?
An XS 750.
Oh, XS, yep. And you had an 850.
Yeah.
What year? You remember? Can't remember?
No, forget 83, I think.
Yep. So 850, and this is. So that's a 4-stroke though. The your XS is.
Triple though.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Plenty of 754s. Another one over the beautiful one over the back there. Bloody hell. Gee. An SL 175. Look at that. Gee, that's in good nick. That was a popular bike in its day. Man, I said you could have them. Yeah, plenty of those. But oh, mate.
Big pin head on it, can't you?
Yeah. So yeah, this, just looking at the poster down here. This is what is an SC 500? What year is it? It'd have to be 77 or
Mid-70s?
yeah. Don't know. Does it say? Don't know. It would be mid-70s. Twin shocks at the back. Just a brute of a bike in its day. Here's an old RD 400 in bloody good nick. Oh, Look at that. It's nice, Nick. Alright, chap, this is what we're here for, isn't it, mate?
Yep.
Yeah, yes.
Yep.
So hang on, what year is this, buddy?
I reckon it's an 83.
83, okay. It was water cooled back then?
Yep.
125?
250. 240. Yeah,
250. Oh yeah, of course they would have been water cooled because they got the radiators and all that sort of shit. Yeah, and this, so this would be one of the first water cooled ones.
The Suzuki, yeah.
Yeah. So you got your full flow dart suspension, so they have the two arms hanging off the side there. Yeah, wow.
Nice.
Beautiful. What a weapon. Look at that, and that's just sitting on that. Oh, I suppose the suspension's extended, isn't it?
I reckon it's the wrong area of that because
Oh.
it's got round. There.
Oh, yeah.
I reckon that.
Yeah.
I might be wrong there, though.
Okay. Chappy's saying it's got a square number plate at the front where it may have been round. Not sure.
84 went to square side plate.
Oh, okay. Yep. See, my guru, motorcycle guru. That's nice. Oh my lord. Oh, a couple of PEs, a 250 and a 400. Oh man. That is in mint condition. That's the winner so far. Is that the winner so far, Chappy? I'm loving it. Oh, I'd love to have one of them. So yeah, just looking at this PE 400X 1981. Suzuki's Big Bore Enduro was a hit with lightweight, similar to the PE 250. There's the PE 250 over there, on which it was based with, as testers said, zap on tap. Production only 2 years, so rare. A full nut and bolt correct resto has been completed, and it is. That is just like it's come out of the shop floor, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's like it's even got the real shiny gloss finish on all the plastics. That's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. Wow. Wonder what it would be worth. What would people pay for that? It's even, like polished the forks, and that's great. And here's the 250. So this is a pretty good. Oh yeah, so it's still got the metal tank, this one. Oh, this is a 1977 250. Wow. My brother, I'm pretty sure my brother had a 175, PE 175.
I think there's a good one locally
Oh yeah.
for sale. 175.
Yep. Still got the, yeah, so the metal tank. But yeah, that's nice. It's an old Yamaha, what is it? 79 XS 1100. What's this one? 1990. Sorry about that. Look at this. Man. Beautiful. Bikes just everywhere. Here's the Honda XL 250. And man, were these popular in their day. These were the real game changer bikes with the trail bikes. You know, a bit of suspension, bulletproof. It says there on that sign, Honda XL 250 wins Baja Desert 500, world's toughest race. And this is a bloody great resto on that one. Love it. Nice. Yamaha Z400. Got to say Yamaha 400. Chaps just spied this XR 400. Wow. Yeah, it looks like it's straight out of the bloody shop as well.
So it's the original front tyre and that on it, doesn't it?
I know. Wow. A little tool bag on the back. Gee, that's nice. We'll just run the camera along here. Z650, GS750, Z900, a lot of Z900s. And what's this yummy over here? Oh, XJR 1300. Jeez. That's in real heritage type colours. It's not bad.
Oh, the original Hyper Sport Superbike, weren't they?
Yeah. Now, so Chappy, with his knowledge, just looking at this bike, he goes, oh, that's probably an 84 or an 85 because it doesn't have upside down forks. And sure enough, GSXR 750 1985. So it's just got the conventional forks fitted. But that's a beautiful, beautiful example. Okay, we've just spied this XR 500R and we reckon, Chappy and I reckon it's probably an 83 model.
Yeah, I reckon.
But it was back in the day, it was a toss-up between one of these and an IT 490 for me. So Chappy's trying to check the rego plate on it. Not sure.
Quite see, without, you know, touching that.
Yeah. But yeah, so back in my day, it was a choice between the old 4-stroke and the IT 490. I went for the IT 2-stroke.
I reckon it had the same indicators as that PE though, not...
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, not those. They're not, yeah, yeah. But another beautiful bike. Okay, there's a couple of katanas here. Chappy was saying, you were at Horsham the other day, weren't you, mate?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? And you reckon that was the one?
Yeah.
You reckon he saw this on the back of a trailer? Wow. Beautiful. Another sweet looking one over there as well.
Let's go check the train plates on it.
Yeah, it does come. Yeah, so it's come from South Australia, this one. Beautiful. But we're going to go over here to the Yamaha stand. There's a YZ 490 over here. Not sure what that is. Have a look at that. Oh, isn't it? Would that be what year would that be? 86 or something, or?
Yeah, it could be. They're all sort of similar, weren't they?
Yeah. Wow. Chap's just taking a photo of this. This is beautiful. TT600. Love these 80s schemes, these 80s paint schemes. These 80s.
That'd be about 90.
Oh, 90 you reckon? Oh yeah? Yeah? Sorry? Don't know.
Oh, it's about a 90 or 92.
Yeah. Chap's saying 90, 92. Yeah, they went real loud there for a while, didn't they, with the bikes? That's beautiful. And this is a KL. It's a KLX, chap. KLX, yeah. KLX 650. Unitrack suspension. So again, this will be in the 90s. Beautiful quacker. Ah, look at the front pegs up here. What is it? A TL1000?
Yeah.
2001 model. Man, what a rocket. Yeah, so they have these signs on the ground. The wind's probably blown it over, but these bikes are all in the 80s. Nice lot of there's an old XT over there. Beautiful DT here. Couple of katanas. Wow. Have a look at the paint job on this thing. Lightning. That's bloody beautiful. Oh, he's got a bit of a wizard on the side. Whizcat. Very nice. Tell me about this one, mate.
Oh, I think they're an import, I'm not real sure.
Okay. So Yamaha TDR, twin cylinder. Two. So what engine's in this? TZ250. So twin cylinder.
Oh, sorry, RZ.
Oh, it's RZ. RZ250. Yep.
In that.
So twin cylinder 2-stroke. Yeah. Yep. And So were these available in Australia? Like, don't know.
I think they're already imported.
Yeah, okay.
Somebody said they're already imported. 8 in.
I only brought 8 in, that guy's
There
saying.
you go.
Wow, what a weapon. Yeah, okay, Chappy's just pointed out the GSX 1100E. So this is the bike that I had in my younger day as well. Had a red one, not a blue one. Frickin' rocket ship. No fairing. Went like stink. I think the fastest I ever went on it was 230. Still had more to go. I was just trying to rip my head off, that's all, because of the wind. Wow. Brings back memories. So what they're doing here, I've just told, is they're lining up all the katanas, just here. They're lining them all up for some sort of photo shoot. Have a look at them all. Just walk you past them. I'm not sure how many there's going to be. We'll count them up when they get them all done. But these are all katanas. And we've still got more to go. I'll run you down the front of them now. They're still lining them up. Yeah, so they're just still lining up the katanas here. But yeah, this show was held in Bendigo this year. It was held last year as well, but next year it's going to be held in, I can't remember the town, but it will be in South Australia. So this is the Japanese Vintage Motorcycle Club. So if you're interested in this sort of thing, yeah, just keep an eye out. So next year, 2024, will be in South Australia. So yeah, look at that. Pretty good. Thunderbirds are go. Just run a camera. See? Oh, wait. Look at the postie bike over there near the Dax. Let's go and have a quick look at that. That's funny.
Love the gear lever, right?
The gear lever. The old tube
filter.
Yeah, it's just a sock. That is sock. That is hilarious. Love it. What's it like over this side? Well, look at the heat shield. Oh man, that's a classic. Anyway guys, I'll call it a wrap here. I think Chappy, you reckon that 400's the winner?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for the 400? Yeah, that's beautiful. Really good resto. That looks like it just comes straight out of the bloody shop. So, yeah, it's been a great meet. What do you reckon, Chappy? A lot of bikes here.
Yeah, it's really good.
Good variety, and we're really lucky, like as that guy was saying, it's held here in Bendigo this year and last year, and it's going to South Australia. Did he say what town?
Uppbeat.
Uppbeat. Where the hell is that? Is it
Just north of Gawler, north of Adelaide.
okay? North of Adelaide. That's where it's going to be held next year. So very, very lucky to be able to see these bikes this year. I'm not sure whether we'll make it to South Australia next year, but there's over like 400. Did you say 400 entrants? 400 entrants this year. There's only about 250 last year, so it's a lot bigger. So cracking day. It's pretty warm, but cracking day. But anyway, Chappy and I are voting. That's our bike. We'd both love to have one of those.
We are dirt bike biased, though.
We we are dirt bike biased, of course. Yeah, so we do gravitate to the dirt bikes, but that 400's a beauty. All right, catch you on the next episode.